No, it's my first time. Thank you. Not really.
Kind of every nationality, mainly Asian nationality though.
I think it's great. I moved 3 years ago from Spain, and I find there is a lot of things to do in Tokyo. It's very, very fun. Before I worked in a not tech startup in Tokyo, and there I learned some secrets about the industry of online marketing. So I work with people from all over the world, basically, from people from Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam. There is people from UK. I myself am from Spain, and of course Japan. That brings a lot of different points of view and makes the environment very rich and interesting. We are constantly learning from each other. Every member is given full decision power and responsibility when it comes to the tasks at hand. We make decisions individually every day, but we also ask the other members to make sure we are on the same page. As a backend developer, I work with systems, databases, third-party services, and we are always looking for new tools to improve our products. As for concrete technologies, we are working with Kotlin, which is a modern language for the Java virtual machine. We are working on developing an end-to-end commerce enablement platform, NEX, which is a key service to develop. As a backend developer, I work with systems, databases, third-party services, and we are always looking for new tools to improve our products. I think it's a very young but innovative team. Let's work together. Bye.
Came to Japan in 2016. I joined I was in Niigata as a foreign exchange student, like with my school in France. And after 1 month, I was like, oh, it's a nice country, so I'm gonna try to stay a bit more. So I found a school in Ikebukuro, language school, stay 1 year there. Then I did research in Tokyo University of Technology, like for 1 year. Then I find a job at another company in Akihabara. And finally I joined AnyMind in 2 years ago now, yeah, 2020, 19, before COVID, the start of COVID, yeah. My previous company, I was doing exactly more or less what I'm doing now, like front-end and development with Angular, and Angular at the time was still AngularJS. And yeah, mainly web application for big company like Toppan, for example, I think is big in Japan. And yeah, mainly this. So in my current project, I'm working with 4 people. So there is actually a lot of nationality, Malaysian, Russian, me, so Italian, and we have a manager that's Japanese. But I also work in the second project with, there's a lot of people, there's like 10 people. They're all around like Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, so kind of every nationality, mainly Asian nationality though. And every company, like every office speak their own language, right? But between developers, we all speak English at the end. So mainly English we use across all the projects. Yeah. So in every project we have like a lot of like freedom of things. Like we have a task, but how to achieve that task, like we are choosing how to do it, as long as it respects the guidelines, of course. Like it's not like many companies here in Japan specifically where it's very structured and you're a developer, you stay developer, you cannot contest decision and things. You have like your opinion matters, so you can talk freely, like I think this should be like that because it's better or easier, and with the team you find out a solution together and not just, yeah, you have to do like this and you follow this. So it's pretty good, and yeah, it feels like we are kind of listened and we have like a decisional power in the project. So it's pretty nice, yeah. Yeah, so I'm doing front end, so mainly the most popular technology, so React and Angular. And we also have React Native for like web applications, but for the moment I'm not doing it, but maybe in the future. That's my next target project. So yeah, mainly those two, Angular and React. So right now I'm working on AnyLogy, which is a D2C platform that allows customers to lawyer shops. So they can handle like, we handle for them, WMS, warehousing, stock orders, and inventories, and they can connect to Shopify and Rakuten for like selling their products. And I'm soon gonna work on an unannounced project that right now I cannot share more, so more to see, I guess. I think I would describe it as an open-minded, multinational team, because we have a lot of nationality and everybody is very open to feedbacks and progressing together. So yeah, mainly.